on my life, she be really trying to fuck me.
Man, fuck all the ops on Lil Bro, man. Motherfuckers out here. The ops ain't having shit like
we
this.
out here.
No, we coming. Black cars back to back.
Man, what the youngins out here doing? I'm out here trying to glide, man. No game, none of the ops, man. Lucy just got back on. We on that. Give me that bitch. Give me that bitch.
No, stay finna crack up. Niggas know how I get.
Hold on,
I wasn't leaving all about.
Damn, I need my slime with me. Hey, little booby, come flick over me, little cuz.
What you say, bro?
Flick over me, little cuz.
I'll flick up. I bet we can flick up in the black truck.
Yeah. Bar Louis? Oh no, I fucked up. Yeah, I gotta fix it.
Hold on, I'm gonna call you back.
It's all the way out west, boy.
Yeah.
It's all the way out west. That's why, boy.
I'm talking about this nigga. Look at these
I got you. I'll flick y'all up on Neil.
Yeah, give me right too, folks. On video. Let me open this door real quick.
You can't in.
Oh, I'm a third eye. Thank you, young bro.
Appreciate it. It is. Let me like sit right here real quick. My bad, brother.
Oh, you good?
Do what you were just doing and yeah, move up a little bit. A little fuck. Move to the left a little bit, dude. Do that and then move to the left a little bit. Yeah.
Hey, Brandon, what's shorty them opening the studio though?
I'm gonna let you know that bitch should be open soon, boy.
Hold on, getting this bitch brother now. Y'all come on,
Oh, let me get these four first and then I'm gonna get all the gas.
Track?
I think no, that I know. Yeah, that's for now.
Oh, both y'all, flip y'all shirt.
Lil cuz really stank ass though, so I ain't gonna lie. Lil bro no got this shit on lock. I ain't gonna that's too late.
Yeah, what you want, boy?
What you on, man? We out here and we got the track.
Yeah, you know we're getting that 723-1763, man, on Lil bro, man.
Nah, you gotta drop the box on the. You gotta be on the in the black, folks.
Hey, what number is that for? I forgot what it is.
That bitch.
It's like damn near towards the up. It's like up. It's coming up literally. Yep. Right there.
Oh yeah, this raw as hell. Let's do it.
They got my shorty booby. My shorty booby 2-turn, folks. My shorty only 15, 14, doing shit. Hey, look.
I'm about to send it to y'all, right?
Oh, David, niggas know how we coming on video.
Hey, what's your? Let me get your number, folks. Let me get your
folks say fuck the box.
Live on. Let me get your shit.
Crashed. Yeah. Cool.
My folks right now.
I'm about to send it to y'all right now.